Hi guys, how are you all? Can you see me? Can you hear me? I'm audible. Type yes, no in the chat box so that I can continue. Great, great. So, how are you all? How was your trading going on? So, I came live today to interact with my followers, so I can ask their question, I can answer their queries. So the main agenda of today live is to answer your queries, to interact with you. If you have any queries regarding market, regarding anything, so you can ask me today. I'm here to answer your queries and question answer, and we will talk little bit about the market. Thank you so much, Santosh. Not that good. Good evening. Hi, Sanjay. No, I'm not. I'm not sleepy at all. Whenever I'm with my follower, whenever I'm with my subscriber, whenever with my traders, so I'm never be sleepy. I'm always into the josh to talk. May I join with you? Sujoy, how? Where you want to join me? Yes, I will talk about the 15-minute discussion. Good luck. Monday को market कहाँ जाएगा? We will talk about the Monday market. Good evening. Hi Manish. Hi Sarthak. Thank you so much, Pavan. Chances are there. अभिषेक चांसेस आर देयर कि अभी जो मार्केट लग रही है 18 के आ सकते हैं एंटिल एंड एंडलेस कोई न्यूज ना आए, बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आ जाएगा. Yes, if you join the mentorship, you will get my algo trading software. I'm providing the algo trading software in webinar as well as mentorship both. Thank you, Pavan. So, how many have you joined my today webinar with Elon Market? Did you take your LM market from your home or had to travel? I was at home, my home only. Great. Anybody who have a query regarding the difference between the mentorship and webinar, I have given one WhatsApp number on my Telegram channel. You can just type hi and ask on that Telegram channel. I will answer your query. I will answer you to understand the difference between the mentorship and a webinar. How to copy that chart जो मैं okay, the supply and demand zone I provided you one day before. You can copy it. There is an option of sharing. I have one video how to copy that my chart in your webinar on your chart. I will share the video on my Telegram channel. That video will help you to copy my levels on your chart. Prakash, if you have lost the capital and you have made the losses from last 3 days and that was a huge losses, I'll suggest you take a break for 2-3 days from the trading, and then take a break from 2-3 days from the trading, and then start fresh with the new थैंक्स। अभी आप ब्रेक लो। That's okay, Rajiv. I missed your webinar. Whoever missed the webinar will get the recording, because as I had a word with Swati. Swati told me that that the recording will be available in your account by today EOD, by 11 of today, and you will be able to watch the recording. Great, really great, Sandeep. Sagar, my IMA-DIMA strategy I can't share on my YouTube, but if you want IMA-DIMA strategy, I have shared the IMA-DIMA strategy on Elon Market webinar today, and you can join, watch that. You can go and buy that webinar, and you can watch that strategy. No, if you follow, if you buy the Algo, if you want to trade with the Algo, then you need the pro account of TradingView. But if you want to just follow my setup of a mentorship or a webinar, then you can go with the free account also. Yes, it applicable in the both of the market. Thank you so much. Shobha, can you, I'll request you to ping me on my WhatsApp. I'll ask you, I will let you know the difference between the mentorship or webinar. Great, Rajiv. Pawan, it's applicable for both of the market, bull market also and bear market also. I will check the LIC. If anybody want to talk about any stock, you can ask me. I will let you know the status of that stock. Most effective strategy for option. The most effective strategy for option is the EMA combination. EMA combination work very well on the options. Great, Rajiv. Vishwesh, I always trade in Nifty sport chart. Whenever I'll take a trade, I always follow Nifty sport chart to take a trade. Camrilla pivot point in 5-minute time frame only. Whenever I'll take a trade on the Camrilla pivot point on the stocks or the indices, I follow 5-minute time frame, and I have already uploaded the video on this. Algo is free for my webinar participant. Whoever is attending my webinar, my webinar and mentorship, I'm providing the Algo indicator free of them. So Joy, I have to check, but as per me, I don't think so कि ऐसा कोई problem है कि अगर आप government job के साथ trading करते हो तो legal नहीं है, but I have to check. Okay, I'll check some stocks with for you. 1 second. Okay, let me check Titan first. Okay. Titan is at very major support. Titan का जो अभी major support है, that is 2489. If it's able to sustain in this support, and then if it the Titan in a one day time frame give the closing above 2546, then we can see more upside movement in the Titan. So abhi Titan is at a major support. It need to hold this support, which is 2489. If the Titan is able to hold this support, and in the one day time frame, if the Titan is able to sustain above 2546, then we can see more upside movement in Titan. So let me check Hull. Hull is an all-time high. I can see that Hull have already given one movement. We can see some little correction in Hull now. IRCTC. IRCTC is a very good level. If you will see Monday, if they're able to sustain above Friday high, which is 802, we can see some good movement in IRCT, which can go and touch 850. Trident, let's check Trident. Trident is also on very good support, which is 53. If it able to sustain above 53, and when if the Trident is able to break 54, then we can see some upside moment. See, Atul, I don't prefer 100 EMA. I generally prefer 20 EMA and 200 EMA for my chart. I don't prefer 100 EMA. Moving average exponential 20 day. Yes, 20 exponential moving average is good in your chart. It helps you to understand the momentum of the market. You have to decide on the momentum for the single day only. That day when the crossover is happen, you have to go for that day momentum. When can we possibly have 10-20 point stop loss in Bank Nifty or 50 point achieve? See, I can't comment on that because my stop loss and my target is totally depend upon setup to setup. So my risk reward ratio is only depend upon the setup. Ma'am, I want to do algo trade. Can you share your algo trade setup? Whoever want to go for the algo trading and want to join my algo trade setup can ping me on my WhatsApp. As of now, I'm giving the algo trading only with my webinar and mentorship. I'm not providing algo trading only algo trading. So anybody want to join the algo, want my algo setup, want my algo trading, he can join my webinar or mentorship. But your ultimate trigger indicator, ma'am, who you exit weekly chart stock? Yeah, I have a setup which helped me to find out the weekly chart. Rajat, EMA is much better than moving average because the moving average can have lagging indicator, but EMA have a more faster calculation than moving average. So EMA give you more accuracy. Accuracy of price action. See, Dipendra, I always use price action trading, or my trading is always based on the price action. So I always follow the price action trading, and price action trading is always profitable. That EMA is much better than moving average. That is depend upon the setup to setup, Shiri. I use 15 minute also, 1 hour also, 5 minute also. So my moving average setup is depend upon setup to setup. ITC. See, ITC is at the major support. The next resistance of IT is 265. If the ITC will continue the up movement, it can go up to 265. So Joy, if you want to join my webinar, ping me on my WhatsApp. I will give you detail. Please provide the indicator video. Bishwan, which indicator video? Which indicator, the momentum trader, which indicator you are talking about? Nifty, I'll check the Nifty. See, अभी तक जो मेरे लिए निफ्टी का मोमेंटम है, that is bullish, क्योंकि निफ्टी ने फ्राइडे अच्छा खासा ब्रेकआउट दिया है, and the FIA also did a buying of 1900 crore, so that is a bullish thing. And if you, I'll show you my chart. Wait. I hope you can see my chart. So if you can see in the chart, the Nifty have given a very good breakout. For me, there was an important resistance was that 17,458. Why? I'll show you in 1 day chart. If you can see in the past, whenever the market come to this level, the 4,058, the always market given a reversal. This 4,055, we have it touches this level on 11th Feb. Next day we have seen the gap up. Then again this level was touched on 16th Feb. Then we have seen the correction. Again this level was touched on 23rd Feb. We have seen the correction. So this level was very important support as for Nifty resistance. I say 17,456, and this was a very important resistance. But up on the Thursday, if you see on this 30th March, we have seen the good breakout on this level, and after seeing the breakout on Friday, we have seen the good breakout on this level. जो उसके बाद एक important resistance था 17,560, उस पे भी एक strongly निफ्टी ने breakout दिया है, क्योंकि कल last minute में जो निफ्टी ने एक अच्छी खासी rally दी है, that was a very good breakout. Up for the next week, we have to see this 17,700, which is a support, but as I am expecting अभी निफ्टी अगर ऊपर जाएगा, if the Nifty will go more up, then Nifty can touch this 17,773. उसके बाद we can अगर इस लेवल के ऊपर, ये जो ऊपर एक लेवल है 17,073, 75 to 17,791, if the Nifty was able to break this level, then we can see the 18,000. पर अभी के लिए एक next जो important resistance है ना निफ्टी में, that is 17,776 to 17,791, क्योंकि if you can see on the 2nd Feb, we have Nifty have touched this resistance, and then we have seen the big correction. So as of now, the next important resistance in the Nifty is 17,776. So agar Nifty is able to sustain above this level, if the Nifty is able to break this level, then we can see 18,000. But as of now, next important resistance is this. And Monday के लिए for the Monday, this level can be breached. This level is not important for the next coming week. 17,077.6 will be the important resistance for Nifty. And if we'll talk about the Bank Nifty, if the Bank Nifty have also shown the good breakout, because yesterday Bank Nifty was a more bullish than a Nifty, and we have seen the big good breakout in the Bank Nifty also. So the if we'll go back, so the Bank Nifty के लिए the important resistance will be this, no, not this, because we have seen the correction in the Bank Nifty from this level. You can see that this level. So from next week, Bank Nifty have a more space, because Bank Nifty के लिए important support है 38,334. उससे पहले this is also important support for Bank Nifty, which is 37,690. So Monday के लिए Bank Nifty के लिए 37,690 can act as an important support resistance for the coming week, and Nifty के लिए for the coming week 17,775 is to see 18K in Nifty and to see 39,000 in Bank Nifty. We have to see this box, जो मेरा ऊपर एक box है, the supply zone. The Nifty and Bank Nifty have to break this box with the strong candle, then we will be able to see 18K in Nifty. I will send today. Best timing, so Joy, if you want to do intraday trading, then you have to do the analysis in 15-minute chart. You have to understand the market momentum in 15-minute chart and to take a trade in 5-minute chart. This combination will help you to understand the market in both better way. That always I do. I always analyze the market in 15-minute chart and I do the TIMA, DIMA and Cambrilla trading in 5-minute chart. साइकोलॉजी इंप्रूवमेंट करने के लिए क्या पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है? सी आई टॉक अबाउट द साइकोलॉजी फ्यू पॉइंट. If you want to improve your psychology, first thing which I always advise to my follower, whenever you are taking a trade, whenever you are into the trade, then don't look at your profit and loss anytime. If you will look at your profit and loss, your emotion will come over you. You won't be able to control your emotion. You will be able to book the profit earlier. या अपने profit target का वेट नहीं करेंगे, आप अपने stop loss का वेट नहीं करेंगे, या आप अपने losses को increase करेंगे. So for the better trading, whenever you are doing the trading, never look at your profit and loss. Always hide your minute to minute. Whenever you are taking the trade, after taking a trade, analyze your chart, understand your chart, and find out that keyword going on the chart, so that you can concentrate on your target and stop loss. Never look into your profit while trading. If you look at the profit and loss, you won't be able to control on your emotion. So the first point, if you want to control on your psychology while taking a trade, always hide your profit and loss while taking a trade. How to change the expectation about the market on days like Friday? See, how to change the expectation mean like Friday morning I was also not bullish for the market. I was also expecting कि जैसे Dow ने एक दिन पहले behave किया था, I was not bullish for the market on Friday. But if you can see on the Friday morning, जैसे ही Nifty ने open होते ही given the breakout of this important zone, Bank Nifty given a breakout on this important zone on the starting of the market only, I immediately change my view and I become bullish, because morning I have written that I am not bullish for the market. But as soon as I've seen the good breakout in the strong candle and Nifty and Bank Nifty, I immediately change my view. So as an intraday trader, that is always important for us to not to be stubborn of the thing. Like अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप bullish नहीं हो, bearish हो, तो market को लेके आप उसी चीज को लेके बैठे नहीं रहना है. If you see the momentum getting changed, immediately jump into and change your momentum. So as soon as I have seen the breakout Nifty and Bank Nifty, I was bullish for the market. और जब Nifty ने ये वाला Bank Nifty ये वाला breakout दिया था on 945 candle, we have seen this zone breakout. I have immediately written on my Telegram channel like कि market अब bullish है, market अब जाके ऊपर वाला level जरूर touch करेगी. और that time Nifty was here, so I was expecting Nifty will touch this level, and that's why I immediately jumped into bearish to bullish, and I took this trade here and I took this trade here. And in the evening, if you people have seen my Telegram, I have shared my last chart trade of the day. When the Nifty have broken this level of 17,561, or it was a strong candle, I immediately took a long, and I was expecting कि Bank Nifty have already shown the strength, but Nifty is still consolidating, so there was chances कि 3 o'clock के बाद Nifty can also show some strength. So I took the long trade at 155, and I was patiently waiting for that Nifty to show the momentum, and you can see that at 3 o'clock candle the Nifty have shown the big momentum and I booked my profit. So if you are a trader, दो चीज़ों का हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. ऑलवेज फॉलो द रूल्स. लाइक अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मार्केट बुलिश है या बैरिश है, आप ऑलवेज रूल फॉलो करो. अगर आपके रूल जो भी आपको ट्रेड दे रहे हैं, गो विद द दैट ट्रेड. सेकंड, द पेशेंस. पेशेंस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडिंग. जब भी आप ट्रेड करते हैं, अपने टारगेट और स्टॉप लॉस के लिए पेशेंसली वेट करो. अगर आप पेशेंसली वेट करोगे तो मार्केट विल पे योर पेशेंस. इफ यू कैन सी दैट मैंने 315 के बाद ये 155 15 के बाद ये ट्रेड लिया था. मैंने जब ये लाइट कैंडल टूटी थी, आई टुक दिस ट्रेड एट 130 के आसपास. आसपास, एंड 1.5 hour I waited patiently to get market momentum, and you can see that the market paid my patience and I got a very good profit in Nifty with this big candle. So whenever you are trading, the patience is very most important part of the trading. हमेशा पेशेंसली वेट करो अपने टारगेट का, अपने स्टॉप लॉस का और अपने एंट्री का. डोंट बी थिंग्स कि नहीं मुझे ट्रेड नहीं मिल रहा, मुझे ट्रेड करना है, या मुझे टारगेट नहीं, मेरा टारगेट में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. तो इन पेशेंट मत हो जाओ. जब भी आप ट्रेडिंग करो, पेशेंसली अपनी एंट्री का वेट करो, पेशेंसली अपने टारगेट का वेट करो और पेशेंसली अपने स्टॉप लॉस का वेट करो. For option buyer, which is better for Nifty and Bank Nifty or scalping? For an option buyer, it is always better to do the scalping in Bank Nifty, क्योंकि निफ्टी में फिर उतने पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलते हैं. अदानी पावर, से अदानी पावर अभी थोड़ा सा, इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी इन द स्टॉक, अगर आप जैसे अदानी पावर में मेरी भी अभी कुछ स्विंग ट्रेडिंग चल रही है. आई टुक दिस ट्रेड एट 1 second, sorry, let me see this again. Yes, Adani Power, yes. See, Adani Power, if you are into the trade, so I'll tell you the next important resistance of Adani Power is already on day high, all-time high. So if you are already in the trade, you should you should start trailing your profit, because it's already given a good moment. If you can see that from 23rd March, from 127 to it's already given the moment of 204. So it is a good time. If you are in the trade, you can trail your profit or start booking your profit. I don't, yes, I do use a VWAP to understand the volume in the option. If the volume is not in the option, send the option strike price never give you a good moment. So whenever you trade in the option, always use VWAP to understand the volume in the option. Berger Paint, okay, let me check. Berger Paint. It is not a correct time to do the investment, but it can go up. It can go up if the Berger Paint is able to break 17,023. It can go up and touch 17,050. Amit, this is there is no fixed rule about कि आप कितने टाइम में प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर बन सकते हैं. That is totally depend upon your dedication, your hard work and how much you follow the rules. अगर आप एक बार रूल फॉलो करेंगे, आप प्रॉपर ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, तो it will take you near about 1 year to be a profitable trader. Any future trade classes on there for Nifty? What kind of classes you are talking about? Rajat, 20 EMA you can use in any time frame. अगर आप डे ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं तो आप 15 मिनट में यूज़ करिए. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ स्विंग ट्रेडिंग या 4 आवर्स में यूज़ करिए. अगर आप इन्वेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो देन गो फॉर द 1 डे. सो 20 EMA is only or totally depend upon time, the type of trading you are doing. As per that you have to set the time frame of 20 EMA. There is Sunny, there is no disadvantage of re-entering into the same strike price again and again. But ये हो जाता है कि अगर आप जैसे आप you have to change your strike price as per the momentum of the market. of the market ऊपर से ऊपर जा रही है तो as per the market movement आप अपने strike price change कर सकते हैं. बट अगर आप सेम strike price पे भी again and again ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो कोई ऐसा डिसएडवांटेज नहीं है उसमें. श्री, the 5 EMA and 200 EMA का टाइम फ्रेम का देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइम फ्रेम. दैट इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन द ट्रेडिंग टू ट्रेडिंग. आप इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं तो आप इसे 5 मिनट में देखिए, अगर आप स्विंग ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं तो 4 आवर्स में देखिए, अगर आप इन्वेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो फिर 1 डे में देखिए. सो द टाइम फ्रेम इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन what kind of trading you are doing with that time frame. Yes, Deepa, I told you that I will show live scalping, but there was a condition that if I'll get a 4,000 like on my video, then I will come live and show the trading. But still, that video got near about 2,600 likes. So 1,400 likes are still pending. So if you people can make it 4,000 like, I will definitely come live and do the trading. Mother so me. Mother Sumi is not good for the swing trading. अभी इसका मोमेंटम इतना बुलिश नहीं है कि आप इसे स्विंग ट्रेडिंग करो. बट इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन द स्टॉक, मदर सुमी इज गुड स्टॉक फॉर द इन्वेस्टिंग, क्योंकि इट इज न्यूज़ की वजह से स्टॉक कभी नीचे है. बट अगर ये न्यूज़ ठीक हो जाती है तो द स्टॉक विल गो अप. तो इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टिंग, देन मदर सुमी इज गुड. Ramesh, that you have to work on you, that if your stop loss it, then you have to get out of the trade. That's why guys, I always prefer to do a algo trading, क्योंकि algo trading का सबसे best part क्या होता है कि you don't need to control on your emotion, because in algo trading में क्या होता है, अगर आपका target hit, the system will execute your trade. If your stop loss hit, your system will exit from the trade. So there won't be any chances of sitting in the trade and controlling on your emotion. So इसलिए algo trading is always best. मैम 35,900 का पुट होल्ड किया, वेट कर सकते हैं. As per now, the market momentum is bullish, but Monday I told you कि Monday we will have to see this kind of side market break, because अभी FIS ने कल अच्छी खासी बाइंग करी है. तो अगर FIS की बाइंग कंटिन्यू रहती है then we can see the 18K. बट एक चीज़ मुझे जो है जो that is not good for the market, which I am not thinking कि मार्केट इतनी बुलिश होनी चाहिए, because if you see the global markets are not that much bullish. डाउ भी अगर हम देखें तो इतना अच्छा मूवमेंट नहीं दिखा रहा है, बट आवर market is showing good momentum, so that can affect the market. Yes, you can add the basket of stocks in Algo. So IndusInd Bank is in a good, if it's able to sustain break Monday the high of Friday, then it can go up and touch near about 1050. How to calculate the profit and stop loss in Nifty? That is totally depend upon your setup to setup. Like if you are how many points you have in your setup. But if you want to calculate on your option chart, I have already taken a live stream and where I explain it. If you want to calculate your stop loss and target in Nifty, go for one. If you are buying a in the money option, nearest in the money option, you can go for 1:2 ratio. Like if your profit is a 50 point, put a for 25 point profit in your and as your calculated, and if your stop loss is 25 point, put 12 point stop loss. So 1:2 से आप calculate करके you can put your target and stop loss in the option. How much capital required for the algo trading? See, that is totally depend upon the what you are buying. If you are buying the option, then you can start with 10 to 15k. If you are doing the algo trading in future, then you need a 1 or 2 lakh. If you are doing the option selling in the algo, then you need a good amount. So that is totally depend upon what you are going to trade in the option in the algo trading. As of now the Nifty is bullish, but Nifty को Monday अगर ये जो ऊपर एक level है 17,700, it need to break level. This अगर ये level break हो जाता है तो then 17,775 can act as a very big support or resistance on Monday. Thank you so much, Santosh. Yes, my algo is ready. नहीं राजीव, to talk about this thing you can ping me, I'll let you know, but अभी वो algo is totally different about that. Yes, if you have bought any order in the order and आपने जो stop loss market order पे लगाया तो there you can get a slippage. Reason being क्योंकि जब भी market पे आप order stop loss लगाते हैं तो what happen, like आपने कोई future buy किया है बैंक निफ्टी का 37,148 पे, आपने अपना stop loss लगा दिया 37,100 पे market order पे. So जैसे ही 37,100 आएगा तो system will do that, it will put the market order of your stop loss. तो उसको उस पे जितना भी प्राइस मिलेगा फ्यूचर में ही विल डू द टेक अ ट्रेड, तो उसमें स्लिपेज मिल सकती है. मैम इज देयर इन क्लासेस फॉर? नो, अभी एल्गो सेटअप की कोई क्लासेस नहीं है अलग से, क्योंकि एल्गो जो सेटअप है मैं अपने वेबिनार और मेंटरशिप में ही प्रोवाइड कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसे अलग से एल्गो अभी नहीं दे रही हूँ. तो जिसको भी एल्गो ट्रेडिंग करनी है मेरे सेटअप पे, ही हैव टू ज्वाइन माय वेबिनार एंड मेंटरशिप. Stender, what is your question? Can you write again? सी ऐसा मिनिमम फंड नहीं है एल्गो के लिए कुछ भी, क्योंकि आपका टोटली डिपेंड करता है. अगर आप एल्गो ट्रेडिंग निफ्टी पे किसी ऑप्शन पे स्ट्राइक पे ट्रैक करते हो तो आप जितने नंबर ऑफ लोट लेना चाहते हो आप उतनी कैपिटल से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो आप फ्यूचर. सो ऐसा कोई मेरा मिनिमम ऐसा फिक्स नहीं है कि आपको इतने कैपिटल चाहिए ही चाहिए एल्गो के लिए. ऑप्शन बाइंग, सी दैट इज टोटली डिपेंड कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो. मैं ज्यादातर ऑप्शन बाइंग करती हूँ. Yes, if you have subscribed for my upcoming webinar, I will teach you how to mark these levels. Now, if you put this in a market order, then there is no chance of not stop loss getting it. But अगर आप stop loss market and limit order लगाएंगे, then there is a chances of missing the stop loss. No Ramesh, in 5 minutes and 15 minutes both the Cambrila's target are same. See, stop loss limit market ही मेरे लिए वो बेटर रहता है, क्योंकि stop loss market में आपको स्लिपेज यूर मिलती है बट आपका stop loss हिट हो जाता है. लिमिट में stop loss हिट होने के मिस होने के चांसेस होते हैं. If you invest 5 lakh in market, then how many year you can make it double? That is totally depend आप क्या कर रहे हो. अगर आप इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो तो एक महीने में डबल हो सकती है. आप स्विंग ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है. अगर आप इन्वेस्टिंग कर रहे हो तो 1 साल लग सकता है. तो डिपेंड अपॉन आप क्या कर रहे हो. अगर आप इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो और अच्छी मार्केट मिल जाए तो फिर 1 हफ्ते में भी डबल हो सकती है. Sunny, don't give back, take a break, don't do the trading, just focus on learning, and after learning start the new trading. But first take a break from the trading and focus on learning. There is no charges of Zerodha. As in my algo setup, you can just need a TradingView Pro account and one bridge, which will help you to do that. There is no charges of broker. As of now, yes, there are 2 gap of pending. It will fill that gap, but after some time. Tommy, if you want to know about the Tima setup, you can go on Alan Mark webinar. I have explained the Tima setup in detail in that webinar. मैम आप पिवट पॉइंट से ट्रेड करते हो, कहाँ से सीखा ये कंसेप्ट? I have learned this concept by myself after reading the price action books. And don't go through the depression. Take a break, take some relax, wait for a few days, focus on learning and then start the trading. As of now, the Bank Nifty is bullish. अभी अगर हम SGS Nifty देखें तो SGS Nifty भी कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, उस ओनली -38. तो ये मंडे अभी तक तो ऐसे ही है कि बैंक निफ्टी फ्लैट टू नेगेटिव ओपन होगी. अभी तो पॉजिटिव ओपनिंग भी नहीं मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ. सो फ्लैट टू नेगेटिव ओपनिंग हो सकती है. Yes, Yogesh, for my Algo you need a TradingView Pro account. Abhishek, why I'm discontinuing the mentorship program? I'm not discontinuing the membership program, but I'm taking a 1 or 2, 3 months break because sometimes it's very difficult to handle so many things, trading, webinar, mentorship. So thoda sa difficult ho raha hai, but I'm launching something new instead of mentorship in next month, another thing. Any course is there for learn the future? There is no course to learn the future, but what course I am taking is totally based on the price action, so that works everywhere. जितेश, अगर आपको मैंने एक वीडियो डाली है जिसमें मैंने अपनी पूरी बुक्स के बारे में बताया कि किस किस बुक्स ने मुझे हेल्प किया था सेटअप समझने में, तो आप वो बुक्स की वीडियो देख लीजिए, आपको समझ आ जाएगा. थैंक यू राजीव. Sandeep, I will plan to take a session, not in the YouTube live, but I will plan to take a free webinar or free session on Teams very soon for my YouTube follower, only on the psychology, because everybody face the problem in the psychology. So I'm planning to take a one session Microsoft Teams पे या Zoom पे. I will take a session very soon on the trading psychology. I will plan the session for my follower. Piyush, the Tima setup is not on the YouTube. I teach on my webinar. Canara Bank, I'll take the last talk, then I will end up the session. Yes, Canara Bank is as of now is bullish and can touch 251, and if it's able to sustain about 251, it can go touch in 269. Ramesh, as I told you, I teach the price action. So one setup I teach in my mentorship program that works on communities, that works on forex, that works fabulous on gold and silver and crude. नहीं राहुल, जो मैंने बुक्स बताई है वो हिंदी में नहीं आती हैं. Thank you so much, Ritesh. Thank you so much. Yogesh, I have the algo of Tima. I have the algo of Camarilla. Fibo की अभी algo ready नहीं है. I'm taking the last talk of UPL, then I will end up the session because it's 7:45. I have my mentorship class also. See, UPL is bullish and it can go up and touch 807. No, you can't use my Algo on Zerodha streak. You can just use my Algo on TradingView only. I will planning. अब मैं Monday को एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी. I'm going to upload one video on Monday where I will explain how my algo work. First I have thought to I will come live and teach you. फिर मुझे लगा live में बहुत ज़्यादा complicated हो जाएगा. So I will plan to make. I have a plan to make a video on Monday, and Monday I will make a video and I will show you how my algo work. Yes, I have a plan to start my live trade very soon because I'm just waiting my kids to go to school because they are going to school from next week. So after they go to school, I will have a time to do a live trading and I will come live trading. So guys, I'll end up the session here. It's 7:45. Yes, the whole setup which I'm talking about is have the algo, and I will teach in the webinar also. Yes, it's on Pine Script. So guys, I'll end up the session here, and thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for this 90 likes. And if you guys like my work, if you like my teaching, if you like my way of teaching, and if you think I'm doing a good job, so please like and share my videos so it can reach to other people. And thank you so much guys for all the support you are providing me and giving me such a good comments and feedback, and that really motivates me. And thank you so much guys. And all the best for Monday, and I'll end up the stream is here. Thank you, Rajiv.